Welcome. Thank you for joining us here in class. Everybody say hi. Hi, YouTube family. Super excited to be dancing with y'all today. Enjoy, have fun, and thank you for being here.
My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance.
So we're going to start with the inner hip roll, and then we'll go to the Taqsim. Yes! This movement is a vertical figure eight of the hips from down to up. We are going to start it first by using our feet, our knees, our heels, right? So what we're going to think about is pushing down with the hip to begin by bending the knee, let's say on the right, yeah? Pushing down into the ground, pushing and sliding ourselves out to the side. From here, we're going to squeeze in the oblique, lift the heel, lift the hip up and in towards the center, and then we're going to plie both legs to slide out to the other side. Slide that hip out, try to make your left hip lower than your right, so that heel's got to be flat on the ground, flat on the ground. Now pull with the oblique, push with the heel, bring it in. Now your right hip is lower than your left, or your left is higher than your right, yeah? And you're sliding over to the other side, scooping up. I'm going to invite you, as we do this, to give it hula hands. And we're going to do this. Come up this way. Yeah, and we're going to take it out to the side and bring it up. Slide it through, push it down, bring it up. Slide it through, push it down, bring it up. Yes! So this movement, for the most part, we're going to keep parallel to the front of the room, parallel to the mirror. Yeah, so you're thinking of sliding it straight up to the side, take it through, bring it up. Slide it through, take it to the side and up. Beautiful. This is a weighted move. So I'm going to invite you, and it looks like everybody's really doing it. I'm going to invite you, when you do the right side, you're pushing out of the right foot. When you do the left side, you're pushing out of the left foot. So you have almost all your weight in the right, push to pull the hip up. All the weight in the left, push to pull the hip up. Let's do one more with our hula hands, and then we'll let those go because I don't think you need them anymore. Yes, beautiful. Let's take our hands to second, and let's go a little bit faster. Right and left, lifting the heel, right and left. This is gorgeous. I know some of you have done this before, but I know some of you haven't, and that's kind of ridiculous. Nice job. Really beautiful. Yeah. And let's do one more each side, one more right, one more left. That was really awesome. All right, let me make it harder because you did it. That was fantastic. Same move, but now we're going to keep our heels on the ground, which means so much of the power has to come from the obliques, from the internal, external obliques, and much more of the movement comes from your knees. So I invite you to plie, making sure the knees stay kind of back behind the toes if you can. So don't over plie or else your thighs will get very, very tired. Same thing, hands on the hips. We're going to push down. Slide it out. Now, heel on the ground. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. It's going to be a smaller move, and that's okay. Now you're going to slide down, push it down, and you're going to squeeze and pull it up, 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 and then slide through. So it's going to feel a little bit smaller because you're not going to get quite as much vertical range because your heel is on the ground the whole time. So in order to get more up, you almost have to go a little bit more down. So I'm going to push into the ground and pull it up, squeeze, into the ground, and pull it up, squeeze, beautiful, into the ground. As you do this, as we get kind of deeper and deeper into our plie in an attempt to make this as big and as juicy as possible, pay attention to your lower body to make sure that it doesn't sneak behind you. What I mean, if I turn to the side, that I don't end up here trying to sit down into the move with the booty behind me, yeah? If you go way down low, keep the hips right underneath your shoulders, yeah? Oh my gosh, you have it. Yeah, questions? I want to drill that with music. Excellent. Let's give this a try. We're going to start with our lifted inner hip roll, right? So find that center. Make sure your pelvis is nice and engaged. Chest is lifted. Shoulders are rolled back and down. Arms are in second position. Shoulders rolled back and down. Fingers are engaged. We're going push from the right and push from the left. Beautiful. Right hip comes up. And left hip comes up. Gorgeous. Right and left. We'll do a couple more really slow. Make sure that the hips go out to the side before they come up. Out to the side, squeeze up. Out to the side, squeeze up. Beautiful. This is looking amazing. Chest stays lifted. Now we're going to double time it. Here we go. Let's go right and left. Maybe it gets a little smaller, which is fine. Keep it nice and controlled. We're going to add some arms. Arms come up. Or 1, 2, 3. Wrists touch, and then we offer out 1, 2. Beautiful. Let's do it again. Arms come up, wrists lead, right? Wrists before the fingers. And take it out. 2. Let's do it again. Bring it up. 2, 3, 4, and take it out. All right, so now take the heels on the ground. Let's slow it down. Ooh, yeah. We're going down, out, up, and in, slide through. Knees have to be super soft. If the knees lock, nothing will happen, which is very frustrating. Yeah, bend the knee, but keep those knees behind the toes. If anything is uncomfortable, come out of it a little bit, right? You might get sore thighs. That's cool. But if your knees bother you, come up out of it a little bit, yeah? We're aiming, especially while we've got our hands on our hips and we're getting that tactile feedback, we're aiming to get vertical in the hips. As our legs get tired or if our knees don't bend enough, you'll get a little bit of like a forward in the hips. But we don't want forward. We want side and side. Going left. Beautiful. And right. Gorgeous. All right, let's bring our hands to second. We'll go slow, quick, quick with these hips. We'll go slow for 2, then quick, and slow for 2. Keep it going. Are you breathing? I'm taking a poll. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you're breathing. Okay, good. I couldn't tell. You had concentration face. I wanted to make sure you're getting oxygen. So important, right? And left, and slow for 2, and left, and right. 2 more like that. Now for fun, because y'all are killing it. Let's keep it quick. We're going left and right. We're going to bring the arms up. Beautiful. Here's a fun one. Let's take the arms down behind the head and over the shoulders. Yes. Let's try that again. Let's bring the arms up. Left hip and right hip and left hip and right hip. Arms coming down over the shoulders. Gorgeous. Let's do it one more time with those arms. And down. Yes. Just a few more here. Hands stay in second. And then we're going to lift the heels. Let's lift the heels. Left and right. You see how it gets a little bit more floaty, a little bit more bouncy. There's a little bit more air to it. Yes. Beautiful. Left and right. You're pushing off the left, off the right. Now, you can feel your weight shifting in your feet, yes? So you know what that means. Now we can travel with it. Yeah, let's walk it forward. Tiny little steps. You're pulling up and up and up. Now we'll walk it backwards. Tiny steps. Up and up and up and up. Take it forward. Up and up. And take it back. And now let's try to take ourselves around in a circle to the right. Make sure you still have that inner hip roll coming up and up. You can take it nice and slow. You don't have to get around quickly. I do want you to try to keep that figure 8 going, yeah? Beautiful. Regain your figure 8 if it went somewhere. That's okay. Yeah. Let's take it the other way. Here we go to the left. Take it around. Up and up. Pushing out of the floor. Weighted movement. Pulling up and in towards the center of the body. Nice. And we all turned at like almost exactly the same rate. We were like a school of fish. It was beautiful. All right, we're going to do the same thing, but this time we'll school of fish around and we'll try to bring the arms up so that when we're facing the back wall, we're here, and then we'll bring them back down so that when we're facing the front wall, they've come back to second. Yeah, here we go. So take it around. Arms come up, and as you come forward, they come down. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Hold it here. Take a deep breath. Beautiful. Let's do the same thing, but we'll go to the left. Here we go. Bring the arms slowly up as we go to the back. And then we'll bring them back down. Gorgeous. Now let's move it forward. Arms come up and back. Do it again. Can you feel your calves? Suddenly I'm very aware of my calves. I'm like, oh, hello, calves. Nice to meet you. Let's do it one more time. Aha. Take it back. 4, 3, 2, 1, and strike your pose. This is my pose. Oh, my calves. Nicely done. Oh, man, that was serious.